So I'm going to be working on this quickly. The bay is a mess because I've been doing 12 hours for the last 7 days. It's a Sunday right now, but anyway, messy old Kempi stuff and whatnot. This is what I'm going to be welding, all in position. I've done a few of them on the manipulator, but now I'm just going to try to do them all in position to see if that's faster. I'm going to be using my new Kempi right now. Just got delivered like 2 days ago. Loving it so far. The Mini Arc T223. Gonna be, let me quickly add a bit of upslope. Where would it be? Bit of downslope. 4.5 seconds. But anyway, gonna be welding at 80 amps. 80 amps, pretty simple. The torch, I got myself a nice long old torch. This here is amazing. The shroud, I'm gonna clean the tungsten quickly. Just a generic size 12 cup. Yeah, size 12. Purging right now, off the chart, because obviously it's a big purge. I'm going to be welding at around 14 litres a minute on the argon. Purging obviously with nitrogen. The filler wire, I think I'm going to use some 1.6 mil. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video has been sitting on my hard drive for apps of nearly a year. Maybe not a year, a long time. It was a part of a Kempi review that I was making. This was just, you know, B-roll footage to do the review to. But I ended up not using it because the machine ended up having issues that I needed to send back. So there was a whole story. I just recorded a whole story about my issues with the machine, but I'd rather not upload it. I don't think it serves it any justice. It was a mistake, so I don't want to, you know, beat a dead horse. But to summarize the story, bought the machine had issues, got sent back multiple times till it finally got sent to Kempi. They done a hot fix that was just a crap fix essentially, and me and the supplier wasn't happy, so the supplier ended up upgrading me to a machine more than twice as expensive to this. So moral of the story, have a nice welding supply person, and then hopefully if you ever have any issues, they always make you whole again by the end of the day. But anyway, that is a story for another day. Maybe I'll tell it, but I don't know. I don't want to just talk nonsense on a company or on a one-off situation, especially where I've had so much good results from Kempi. So I don't want to just bash it over this machine. Anyway, this here is True Bore Welding. I've got a lot of new followers, and I'm about to do stainless steel again soon. So I thought let me refresh my you guys with True Bore Welding. Essentially, it is welding 1 mil stainless, 2 mil stainless steel, 316 or 304 stainless at a low amperage that gives you a root and a cap all in one pass. Inside the pipe is purging with nitrogen gas, keeping the inside from coking up. And this is just a process. Chilled water goes through this, low pressure, under 6 working bar, and yes, my bread and butter. This is why I learnt my stainless steel on, and or at least I learnt my TIG welding on this True Bore. So I thought it'd be interesting to give a little bit of a refresher. Some of you guys have probably seen this on Instagram but not known the process. The welding is usually done at low amperage. I push mine a little bit higher, 80 amps, but anywhere above 70 amps starts to give you penetration. The filler wire, 1.6 mil, and I'm welding. Here's a quick little story. I'm welding in a low position. I'm trying to do 6 o'clock upwards, even though I don't need to. I'm in a workshop. I can, you know, flip the pipe, but it's all for practice. Believe it or not, although I can do the MIG pipe and I can do this stainless steel, at this point here, I had never in my life done an open butt TIG weld. So I was always trying to practice positional stuff, you know, in case I ever have to do anything on site. And it came in handy because there was a job I accepted, and it was open gap butt welds of 6" and 10" that I needed to spend some time at home practicing being able to do that, even I couldn't previously. And all of the time spent welding in uncomfortable positions, even testing with my left hand and all that stuff when it's not needed, all paid off. And yeah, it paid off, and I was able to, you know, do the job. It passed the NDT testing, and happy days. But anyway, there's not much to this video. I didn't want to delete this footage, so yeah, I'm just talking nonsense. There's a route, one run. The cap's got a profile on it, purged with nitrogen gas. Yeah, happy days. Anyway, this video is finished. There's not much to it, so thanks for watching, and I will see you lot in the next one.